Best dash cam with GPS tracking. Number 1. Vantrue X4 dash cam with GPS tracking. The Vantrue X4 is one of the few mid-range 4K dash cams out there, and for its price, it bundles several interesting features. For one, it comes with 24-hour park card monitoring, apart from GPS monitoring. At the same time, the 4K resolution means that the footage recorded by the Vantrue X4 is crisp and clear. More importantly, it mounts on the windshield, and the unobtrusive design ensures that it blends easily with the car's design. As noted earlier, the Vantrue X4 delivers sharp footage. At daytime, the colors appear well saturated and crisp. You can say the same about low light footage. You might see considerable color bleed during rainy nights. If your place receives considerable rainfall throughout the year, you might want to consider this point. At the same time, the 4K footage means that a small clip will occupy considerable space on the SD card. However, when it comes to checking the SD card contents, you will have to rely on the good old method of connecting the card to your laptop via a microSD card reader. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Kenwood dash cam with GPS tracking. The Kenwood A301W is an affordable dash cam with a decent amount of handy features. For the price, the A301W is sleek and slim and can record full HD videos at 30 FPS. Apart from the built-in GPS, this affordable dash cam also packs Wi-Fi and lets you record footage on a microSD card. The best part is that this camera records for a couple of seconds before it detects a crash. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Nextbase dash cam with GPS tracking. The Nextbase 622 GW costs a little more than the Vantrue X4 but brings a wealth of features and performance despite the narrow price gap. The highlight of this car dash camera is the built-in polarizing filter designed to cut off glare. Add a 4K resolution to the mix, and you will get clear high-res and glare-free footage. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Thinkware dash cam with GPS tracking. The Thinkware Q800 Pro is the middle ground between average Full HD dash cameras and storage-hogging 4K dash cams. The 1440p resolution means sharp and crisp footage and more free storage on your SD card. But, the highlight of the Thinkware Q800 Pro lies in its safety features, and they are a huge plus. Here, the camera will swiftly alert you when a vehicle in front of you swerves from its lane. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Garmin dash cam with GPS tracking. Garmin has been a long-standing name in the GPS peripherals, and the Garmin dash cam 66 watts is one of the newest offerings. This dash cam checks off many boxes. Unlike the average 120 and 140 degree field of view of standard cameras, this one bundles a wide 180 degree lens, meaning it captures a wide view. If you have a smaller car, the wide-angle view allows you to see a little to the sides as well. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.